Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we got the car painted. Here it is right behind me. So basically now what we're going to do is we're going to pull off all the tape and the paper, see what the car looks like, see what else we have to do to it to get ready for some wrap, whether we have to like sand down some small runs if we had any of that. If too much orange peel on the spot, I don't know. We haven't really looked at it too much. So we're going to get all that stuff off, get it ready for some wrap. And the next video we'll be wrapping it, so we're super excited. The car is just about done, so let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so now that we've seen the car, we're going to get everything off and get ready for the next video. So, let's get this thing started.